Welcome back to the KOAM Morning News. We are joined again by our good friend Charlene Patton from the Kansas Soybean Commission. Welcome back to the show. We've had some great recipes so far this month, and we're not done yet. In fact, we've got this one here. So what exactly we're looking at here?
Well, I thought you needed something for your sweet tooth. And that
everybody
maybe,
does.
yeah, that's right. And that maybe Santa needed a little sweetness too to go with for Christmas. But you can see what we have here. We're making a candy cane pie. I have a recipe on there for a crust that you can make, but if you have want to save some time, you can do a purchase crust, and I just did a chocolate one. They come in nutty flavors too, and there's soy in there as well because of as they mixed it. But you can see how that dark chocolate is on the bottom. What I've done is I've melted a half a cup of chocolate chips with some chocolate soy beverage. Melt that together, pour it in the bottom, and then let that set up, and that makes a bottom layer of chocolate that we're going to have there. That looks good, doesn't it, to start with it? Then what I have here is one package of soy cream cheese. I just let it set out a little bit so it's nice and really at room temperature so it's easier to move. You're going to add this, and this is peppermint. Can you smell that peppermint?
Oh yeah, you can't see it, but there is peppermint in there.
Yeah, and it doesn't take very much to add that, but a little bit of peppermint flavoring. And then to this, we're going to add the powdered sugar. This is 1 cup of powdered sugar. Going to add a little bit of sweetness in there. We're going to stir that together, and then you're going to add those crushed peppermint candies. And it used to be that we would have to get out our rolling pin and we would crush candy canes, but now we can find them already crushed in the candy department.
They make it easier
and easier. So go ahead and add that.
All right.
Great. That's going to add a little bit of crunch, and then also that extra flavor from the peppermint into it. How easy is this so far?
This is pretty darn easy so far.
So we mix that together, and you can see that it just blends together. And you know, another recipe kids could do, we don't need to use a mixer or anything. When that cream cheese is soft like that soy cream cheese, it's easy to mix. Now we have 1 cup of whipping cream. I'm going to add that in, and then just fold that in. And that makes it a little light and fluffy. There we go. And then we're just going to pour that into our chocolate mixture here. And I'll just pour that in there. And then we have some fun decorations, and the kids will love to do this. I'll show you how we're going to do this. I'll put that down there. We have just a little bit of the crushed candy that you can just put a little bit more over the top there. And then we give the recipe to do this, but look at this. We made little chocolate stars, little decorations that you can put on your pie. You could do it so that when you cut it into pieces, put that on for each serving. And all this is just a tablespoon or teaspoon of shortening that you melt with your chocolate chips. Put it in you could use a Ziploc bag, cut the corner off of it, and then make designs on like wax paper.
Wow.
Put it in the refrigerator until it sets up, and you've got little chocolate decorations.
Wow, this is a pretty simple recipe.
It is.
So,
it is.
More information you can find on your website.
Yes, kansassoybeans.org. You can call our 800 number, 877-KS-SOYBEAN, and get the recipes, and we'll mail them to you, or you can call and we'll send them to you.
All right, Charlene, thank you so much. And, of course, all this information on our site as well at KOAMnewsnow.com. We'll be right back after this.